करते हैं ट्रांसपोज की। ट्रांसपोज है क्या? एक मैट्रिक्स और एक ट्रांसपोज मैट्रिक्स और ए मैट्रिक्स obtained by interchanging rows with column. Take an example. A matrix A equal to 1 2 3 2 1 minus 1 minus 1 2 minus 3. A matrix equal to a transpose matrix. Now we have to find transpose of this matrix A. This can be represent A power T or A dash. 1 2 minus 1. This rows becomes column. Again this rows becomes column. Again this rows becomes column. This is very simple. Only change rows with column. Some properties of it. Transpose of A transpose is A. K A transpose equal to K into A transpose. A plus B transpose equal to A transpose B transpose. A B transpose B transpose और A ट्रांसपोज. इन प्रॉपर्टीज का हम कहीं ना कहीं यूज करेंगे. अब हम बात करते हैं सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स की. सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स a matrix और a square matrix A equal to Aij is called a symmetric matrix if A transpose is A. A transpose is A. Now taking example of A transpose or A is a matrix 1 2 root 3 2 root 3 3 1 1 4. A transpose. A transpose means this rows becomes column 1 2 root 3. Again this rows become column 2 3 1. Again this root 3 1 4. And what is this? This is A. So A transpose is A. Then A is a symmetric matrix. We also conclude from here A I J is equal to A J I. A I J is equal to A J I. Mean this and this, this and this, this and this. These elements are equal A1 2, A2 1, this and this. Again A13 A31, A13 and A31, 13 and A31, this and this. Now, what is a skew symmetric matrix? What is a skew symmetric matrix? A square matrix A equal to Aij is called skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix if A transpose is equal to A transpose equal to A. Taking example of it, A is equal to 0 root 2 minus root 2, 3 minus 3, 0 1 minus 1 0. Now A transpose, change rows by column. This is row, this becomes 0 root 2 3. This root 2 minus root 2, 0 minus 1, and this becomes minus 3, 1 and 0. Now if you take minus common from this matrix, 0, this minus becomes plus, this minus becomes plus. This is minus root 2, this 0, this is minus 3, and this is plus 1, and this is 0. And this are equal. So this is minus A. So this A matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. We also conclude from a result A I J equal to A minus A J I. If A I J equal to minus A J I and we take I equal to J, then A I equal to minus A I. Taking this to this, A I plus A I 2 0, or A element equal to 0 means A11 A22 A33 equal to 0. Mean all diagonal elements are 0. That's why in this example I take all these diagonal elements 0. So another theorem on this symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. If A is a symmetric matrix or skew symmetric matrix, how can we prove sum of symmetric and sum of skew symmetrics? For a matrix or square matrix A, for a square matrix A, we have to show for a matrix A, this matrix contains real entities 1, 2, 3, any element. We have to prove A plus A transpose is symmetric and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. This is A plus A transpose and this is A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. टेक एन एग्जांपल ए, स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स 3/3 भी ले सकते हैं और 2/2 भी ले सकते हैं। अब 2/2 हम ले रहे हैं, ए 2 3 1 2 इट्स ट्रांसपोज 2 1 3 2 rows and columns are interchanged, then A plus A transpose, this is P matrix. A plus A transpose means 2 plus 2 4, 1 plus 3 4, 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 2 4. By chance this becomes 4 4 4 4. Also, if we take this minus and this minus, so this becomes minus, this becomes minus. Now taking sum, 2 plus 2 4, minus 1 plus 3 2, 3 plus minus 1 2, and 2 plus 2 minus 4. And P transpose 4 2 2 minus 4. This is A, sorry, this is P 4 2 2 minus 4 means P transpose is P. Therefore A plus A transpose is symmetric. This is the definition of symmetric matrix. When A transpose equal to A, that A matrix is a symmetric matrix. Then A plus A transpose is A plus A transpose, that symmetric matrix. Now skew symmetry. Now we have to find A minus A. A minus A. A minus A equal to A minus A transpose, sorry, A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose. 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 1 minus minus 1 mean 4, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, and 2 minus minus 2 mean 0. Taking minus common from this is 0. Sorry, first we have to find transpose of this. A minus A transpose transpose. This is 0 minus 4 4 0. Now A minus A transpose of transpose, taking minus common from this, 0 minus 4, or this is 4, this is 0, and what is this becomes? This becomes A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose. So A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. For any matrix A plus A transpose is symmetric matrix. A minus A transpose is skew symmetric. Now we have to prove matrix A as a sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. We find half of A plus A transpose. This is half of A plus A transpose, and A plus A transpose is this. This becomes 2, 1, 1 and minus 2, and half of, and this is P, and we put this A plus A transpose is Q. If P is symmetric, then half of A plus A transpose is also symmetric. Now we have to find half of A minus A transpose. Half of A minus A transpose. A minus A transpose is this. Mean 0, minus 2, 2 and 0. Adding, and this is Q by 2. This is P by 2. P by 2 and Q by 2. P by 2 plus Q by 2. Half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. Half of A plus A transpose plus half of A minus A transpose. This is, add this, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus minus 2, minus 1, 1 plus 2, 3, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. And what is this? This is the matrix we have start with. जिसके साथ हमने शुरू किया था ये वो मैट्रिक्स आई. This is A. So a matrix can be written as sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. आपके पेपर के अंदर जो क्वेश्चन आता है वो ये आता है कि आपके पास कोई मैट्रिक्स गिवन है. You have to prove this matrix is the sum of symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix. और ये 6 नंबर का क्वेश्चन आता है. अब हम इसकी जो प्रैक्टिस करेंगे डिफरेंट एग्जांपल लेके, या जो हमारी बुक के अंदर क्वेश्चन है, बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. ओके बेटा.